Korean chicken and waffles. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, take in 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs prepped, just like so. Next, buttermilk, Korean chili flakes, spicy gochujang into a Ziploc bag and marinate overnight. Once ready, remove into a bowl. Now we're going to be taking some flour, just like so, coating it on all sides. Gently pat down and remove excess flour, just like so. Very nice. Now into a fryer, we're going to be cooking this at 375 degrees until it's golden brown. Next, a box of H-E-B pancake mix, adding in some water, sesame oil, and green onion. Give this a nice mix and set aside. Now grab our waffle iron, get this nice and hot, then adding in some butter spray. Very nice. Ladle in some of our mixture just like so. Give this a nice turn once it's ready. And there we have it. Amazing. To make our sauce, we're going to be taking spicy gochujang, mixing in some maple syrup. Give this a nice mix just like so. Very nice. Now onto plating. We're going to be placing this with our waffles on the bottom, chicken on top, drizzle our amazing spicy gochujang maple syrup, serving this with pizzolata prosecco brut, an amazing sparkling from Italy. Profiles the straw yellow color with greenish reflections, nose of floral notes of acacia. Velvety palate with fresh, well-balanced taste and an elegant finish. And there we have it, our amazing Korean chicken and waffles. Perfect for any brunch or breakfast. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!